In the last video, I have explained second chance page replacement algorithm. In this video, I am going to explain about enhanced second chance page replacement algorithm. Enhanced is nothing but increased or extended, right? So it is an extension to the second chance page replacement algorithm. So now I'll explain this concept with the help of an example. So let us assume that this is the primary memory, and in this primary memory I have three frames. In these three frames I have loaded page number 7, page number 0 and page number 9. Let us assume that reference bit of 7 is 1, reference bit of 0 is 0 and reference bit of 9 is 0. Now CPU is requesting for page number 3. That means we should load 3 into the primary memory, right? So here 3 is not available in the primary memory, so we can call it as a page fault. So now in order to load 3 into the primary memory, so first we should choose the one frame as the victim frame, right? Let us assume that this is the victim frame. Okay, so now if you observe here, the reference bit is set to 1. So if the reference bit is set to 1, then you cannot deallocate memory space of this frame. So now what we should do? We should move victim frame pointer to the next frame. Here the reference bit is set to 0. So we can deallocate memory space of 0 and we should allocate memory space for 3 and we should set reference bit to 1. Okay, this is the second chance page replacement algorithm, right? So in the enhanced second chance page replacement algorithm, along with the reference bit, we will use another bit called modify bit. Okay, in the second chance page replacement algorithm, so while choosing the victim frame, we should check the reference bit. If reference bit is 1, we should give a chance to that frame. If reference bit is 0, then we can deallocate memory space of that frame, right? But in case of enhanced second chance, along with the reference bit, we will use another bit called modify bit. So first let us discuss some points about the modify bit. Let us assume that this is the primary memory. In the primary memory, we have three frames. In these three frames, page number 7, 9, 10 data is stored. Now, CPU is requesting for page number 8. Okay, so now a page number 8 should be loaded into the primary memory. That means we should deallocate memory space of one of the page frame, right? So let us assume that I have chosen 7 as the victim frame. Now memory space of 7 should be deallocated, and in place of 7 memory space should be allocated for page number 8. Okay, so in this situation, so 8 should be loaded into the primary memory, right? That means previously 8 is available in the secondary memory, so now we are loading it into the primary memory. So from secondary memory, a copy of 8 is moved to the primary memory. Okay, so now we are deallocating memory space of 7, right? That means now 7 is available in the primary memory. We are deallocating the memory space, so it should move from primary memory to the secondary memory. That means when there is a page replacement, there are two transfers. One transfer is from secondary memory to primary memory and another transfer is from primary to secondary. If you observe, page number 7 data is deallocated, so it should be moved to the secondary memory, and 8 is loaded into the primary memory, so memory should be allocated for the page number 8. So in total, page replacement requires two transfers. Okay, to reduce this time, we use modify bit. To reduce this time, it requires two transfers, right? So to reduce the transfer time, we use modify bit. So now let us see how to use the modify bit. Let us assume that page number 7 is loaded into the primary memory, okay, but CPU has not made any changes to the page number 7. Let us assume that CPU has not made any changes to the page number 7. That means page number 7 data is same in the primary memory and secondary memory. Then there is no need to transfer this data into the secondary memory, right? Because the data is already available in the secondary memory, and here here CPU does not change any data of page number 7. So there is no need to transfer the data from primary to secondary, right? So when the copy of the page number 7 is the same in the primary memory and secondary memory, then we should set modify bit to 0. Modify bit is 0 means the data is not modified in the primary memory. So what we should do is, while deallocating the memory space, we should not copy the data into the secondary memory. In this way we can reduce the time. Now consider another situation where here CPU has made some changes to the page number 7. That means here page number 7 data is modified. That means here we have one copy of data, here we have another copy of data. These two pages data is different now. In secondary memory we have some data, and in primary memory we have some other data. So now the data of page number 7 is different in primary memory and secondary memory. In this case the modify bit is set to 1. When the modify bit is set to 1, it means that this page data is modified in the primary memory. So what we should do now, while deallocating the memory space, we should move that page to the secondary memory for permanent storage. Okay, so we should store this page permanently. We should store the changes which are made by the CPU permanently into the secondary memory. So it requires 2 transfers. In the previous case, it requires only 1 transfer. Okay, in that way, if you use modify bit, then it can reduce the transfer time of the pages. That is the use of the modify bit. So if in the primary memory, if the particular page is not modified, then modify bit is set to 0. In the primary memory, if the particular page data is modified, then modify bit is set to 1. Okay, now you got an idea about modify bit, right? So in the second chance page replacement algorithm, we use only reference bits, right? We check only reference bits. But in enhanced second chance page replacement algorithm, along with reference bit, we should check the modify bit also. Okay. So let us assume that for a page, reference bit is 0 and modify bit is 0. That means, what is the meaning of 0, 0? Modify bit is 0 means it has not modified. In the primary memory, the data is not modified. Okay, this is the reference bit and this is the modify bit. Okay, so reference bit is 0 means if the bit is 0, then we can deallocate the memory space, right? If reference bit is 1, you cannot deallocate the memory space. Okay, so that means if reference bit is 1, the particular page is recently used. Okay, so we know that when we load a page into the primary memory, while loading the page, we should set reference bit to 1. That means if we use that page, then we should set reference bit to 1. Okay, so that means reference bit is 0 means it is not used recently. Reference bit 0 means this page has not used recently. Okay, if you use recently a page, then we should set a reference bit to 1, right? So reference bit is 0 means it has not been used recently. That is the meaning of 0, 0. If so, with the 2 bits, how many pairs we can form? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? So next pair is 0, 1. So 0, 1 means, so not recently used. Not recently used, but modified. But the particular page is modified. This is the meaning. Okay. So next, what is the pair next? 0, 0. Then 1, 0 is the next pair. So what is the next pair? 1, 0. 1, 0 means, 1 means recently used, right? The reference bit is 1 means recently used. 0 means not modified. This is modified bit, right? Not modified. And the last pair is 1, 1. So 1, 1 means recently used, 1 means modified. Okay, so while deallocating the memory space for a particular page, it should check the reference bit as well as modify bit. Okay, let us assume that here reference bit is 1, modify bit is 1, here reference bit is 0, modify bit is 0, here reference bit is 0 and modify bit is 1. Let us assume that these are the values. Now we should check these pair of values. So now among these three we should deallocate memory space of one page, right? That means we should choose one victim page. So while choosing the page, so we should give preference to the pages in this order only. That means a page which has the reference bit comma modify bit pair as 0 comma 0, we should give first preference to that frame. So among these three we will give first preference to this one. That means we should deallocate memory space of this one first. Okay, so if 0 comma 0 is not available, then we should give, let us assume that here also I have 1 comma 0. That means there is no 0 comma 0 pair. In that case we will give second preference to the 0 comma 1. So 0 comma 1 is this one, so I should give preference to 0 comma 1 next. Okay, so if there are no frames with these two reference bits and modify bits, then we should give third preference to this pair and fourth preference to this pair. Okay, so we should check the pair of reference bit and modify bit. If the pair is 0 comma 0, we should give first preference to that frame. If there is no frame with 0 comma 0, then we should give preference to the 0 comma 1. If there is no frame with 0 comma 1, then you should give preference to the 1 comma 0. If there is no frame with 1 comma 0, then we should give preference to the 1 comma 1. So 0 comma 0 means it is not used recently. That frame is not used recently and not modified. So it is very easy to replace that frame, right? So we should give preference to that one. 0 comma 1 means it is not recently used but it is modified. That is the meaning of 0 comma 1. 1 comma 0 means it is recently used but not modified. That is the meaning of 1 comma 0. So 1 comma 1 means recently used and modified. So we should give last preference to 1 comma 1. So in this way we will give preference to the frames and we can choose the victim frame by following this order. This is about enhanced second chance page replacement algorithm.